This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Equalizer Apo must be installed, and you must run the installer as administrator so drivers register properly. Once done, open the configurator and check the boxes for the specific playback device you want processed. Enabling the wrong device is the most common mistake. Make sure the device sample rate and bit depth in Windows sound settings match your intended output. Mismatches can prevent Apo from loading. Finally, reboot so drivers and the audio pipeline refresh. Next, confirm the configuration is actually applied. Open the configuration editor and verify your filters appear, and that config. TXT is present in program files /equalizer apo /config. If nothing shows, Equalizer Apo didn't attach to the device. Make sure Windows audio enhancements and any third-party DSP, like manufacturer software, are disabled, and turn off exclusive mode in app settings because exclusive streams bypass Apo. Check Equalizer Apo log files for load error. To finish, test whether processing works by playing a clear test tone or music and toggling filters. If you hear change, Apo is active. If not, reinstall Equalizer Apo, run the configurator as administrator, re-enable the device, and reboot twice to ensure service registration. If problems persist, check Windows Device Manager. Update or roll back your audio driver and disable any vendor audio enhancements, because driver-level processing can block Apo. That single driver step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.